Hello, so viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to see how we can see the files view of the board. Okay. For that, guys, just click on here, click on power ups, click on board views, just search for file, blank view, file gallery, map, form, pivot boards, velocity boards, etc. Click on file gallery, click on open board. So we have no files here, right? Let's just go to the main table, just attach some files. Okay. For attaching some files, just click on the plus here, column, just type files here, click on the files. You can attach files like anything. Okay. Okay. Let us click on files. Let me click on this file, screenshot which is taken. Let us go to analysis. Let me add another file here. Go to development. Let me add another file here. Okay, we have attached three files. Okay, you can see here. If I minimize the project, you can see number of files here. One analysis, we have one development, we have one testing and release doesn't have any file. Okay, now click on the file gallery. You'll get showing 3 out of 3 files, which are basically the screenshots which we have taken. Check right in the real-time projects. We can have attachments of different Excel files, different screenshots, different recordings, etc. for the tickets. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.